Hello, my people. I greet you all. Welcome to Marigold TV. Please, if today is your first time to watch or listen to my audio, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you who don't already subscribe, thank you so much. To all my returning subscribers, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you all. So today, my people, I don't bring another update. Can't give you now this one. Hey, in fact, when some of these Igbo men were there for Pakistan, when we dey learn, most especially all those ones wey go dey do guarantor for their fellow Igbo brother. Now as I dey search for inside social media, I come across this very video where this man begin dey cry out, and if una see wetin they do to this very man in the video, in fact, some of these Igbo people, they really get wicked hearts. They get wicked hearts. Anyway, due to the write-up, they say this very man, okay, he get one of the Igbo brother, where they call Emmanuel Mbaude. They say this Emmanuel Mbaude can deceive him, use him as a guarantor to collect market wey worth $1 million. Now, so they say write am for the write-up. $1 million market. Which market be that one? Now, all this powder market where some people they do for this Europe and Asia country. As this man don't go collect the market now, for him to return the money back to the Pakistani militants where they say follow buy the market, this Emmanuel he not return the money back. Meanwhile, now this very man wey dey here, now he go use as a guarantor. As they not come see this Emmanuel, now they can go carry this man. And this thing, the day when they record this very video, so where they talk about, where I watch, it was on the 13th of September 2020. Now the militant people, they can go carry this man. They carry on, if you see the way they do this man. Just that I cannot post the video for here because of YouTube. It not be every video, especially the one where be say they can't they know now they can't they kind of they use iron, they use all this kind of strong thing. They use them for somebody body. Before you know it, they go just drop the video. Now they begin they use different type of thing for this man. This man cry, come out. He come, they beg all the Igbo people and anybody we know this Emmanuel Mbaude, make they tell him make he return the Pakistani militants money back to them. Right now, they say these people don't tell this man, say, if he not go bring that Emmanuel Mbaude, make he come pay their money, wait till this man go see, he not go believe his eye. His wife, his entire family, they go make sure say they deal with them. Now, no say in many occasions, so many videos don't surface for this social media for the past few weeks now about those people where go they do guarantor for their fellow Igbo brothers, and still many had just keep coming out. Last week here, one see come out, I see talk about and here. Now, another one see happen now on the 13th of September 2020. Now this one see take happen. My people, what did they happen? Why be say some of those Igbo people, they get this kind of wicked art to treat their own fellow Igbo brothers like this? The business where they do now, you know, be say maybe now only they do all this partner business where they do. There are other people from different states for that Nigeria, there where they for this abroad, that they do this kind of market as well. But they know they use their own people, like the way some of these Igbos, not be all Igbos I talk, or some of these Igbos say they treat their brother. It's not good. It's not good. And at the end of the day, as this man don't carry this money now, he don't go in village or don't go carry chieftaincy title. Now the pictures, among the pictures where the and join the video where I watch, now be the one I see all those elderly people beside this very man. So, and this very man, it be like saying that be the Emmanuel Umbaude. We go carry business, we worth $1 million we they talk about. As this man there for a community now, all of them go the hail and they'll say, this one and the people will go make am for Asia country or will go make am for Pakistan. Not knowing that now his own fellow Igbo brother life. Now this man go take pledge for the money we make, we can't go to the do big boy for his own community. Why? This is where they happen all the time. I so much believe, say, make so many of all those Igbo people where they for social media, make them still talk to this, their brothers where they for Pakistan. You know they're good. Definitely, many of Igbo people, they feel bad for the way where they are Igbo, they treat their own fellow brothers for Pakistan. Several occasions. Why will you do that? How desperate are you? For you to go to that extent, you go deceive your own fellow brother. That one go sign for you because of trust. Because he feels, say, okay, he wants make you see get that business. Person will go sign for you, may go to carry business from Pakistani people. You not do bad. You understand? If so much trust you, maybe you go come definitely pay back. But the heart will make that person really do this kind of thing for you. Why will you not use the same heart to return their money? Money where you go chop just now go finish. Even though you feel say the money not go finish, as far as you don't armor, make I tell some of you, una way they do this kind of bad thing. That person where you go put in life for wahala, the person head no go ever they happy for you. So right now, this man don't cry, come out. Make people come help him. Make them help and look for this Emmanuel. Make him return their money for them. Enough of all of those things where they happen all the time for Pakistan. Igbo people, make una see beg una brothers. Make them know they put other people's life for this kind of thing. Because now life, they sweet all those wounds. Where they go, they do market. Okay, go they do market because they want to make quick money. Life they switch them. They want to look for fast track to make money. In as much nobody that does not like money, but don't put other people's life for wahala like this. You go they enjoy yourself. They go. You go put other people on for kasala. This man now, look at the way they really do him. In fact, make una take am easy. I just hope that at the end of the day, make many of Igbo people, make them help this man tackle this issue. Also, ever we know that Emmanuel Umbaude, make them bring and come out. The one where first happened weeks ago, finally they can't see help that one. Another one can't see surface again last week. If you see the way that my body be, now bone I even come the show for that my body. This one now just happened 13th of September 2020. Please, Igbo people, you people should come to this man rescue. Because if you now not help this man now, they don't already don't they tell this man now say if he not bring that Emmanuel come out, now wahala for him and now wahala for his wife and his entire family. Meanwhile, the Emmanuel don't there for one of the community, one of the village, don't go carry chieftaincy title. He there for a house now. They enjoy life. People they respect him. Meanwhile, now the sweat of other person, when person go to a sign for him, now he go to the do big guy for Nigeria. It's not good. Igbo people, please, you people should help this man. You people should help this man and look for that Emmanuel. And if there's any way you people can even tell some of those people where they're from Pakistan, make them know they use their life to go they do guarantor for any other of their Igbo brother. Make una see tell them. Because when this thing go they show for social media all the time, it is so very heartbroken and painful to the see say, person will get good heart to go sign for you. At the end of the day, you can't they pay and bad. It's not good. So my people, how una think this whole matter? Make una drop una comment, and don't forget, press the like button, and see you in my next update.